Welcome to Lesson 5 to learn French. The word un is very important in French. It means one, the number one, and it also means one masculine thing, as in un effort, an effort, or a man, un homme. The sound un will be used a lot in French. We don't want to say en, and we don't want to say on. You must understand the importance of saying un. When I say un effort, I'm linking the N towards the E. You must do this each time un is followed by a vowel. We do this to avoid a hiccup, un effort. We must say un effort. Treat it as one word, not as two. When I say un homme, I do the same. We saw that H was an invisible letter. This is why we ignore it. Un homme should be treated as one word. Do the same for the following combinations. Okay, today we saw an important sound, un. We saw that we always link with the N towards a vowel. Don't forget.